What is this called? Kingfisher. What is this called? This is a deer. What is this called? This is a raccoon. What is this called? Turkey. What is this called? Swan. What is this called? This is a penguin. What is this called? Goose. What is this called? Hen. What is this called? This is a bear. What is this called? Stork. What is this called? Seagull. What is this called? Woodpecker. What is this called? Duck. What is this called? This is an owl. What is this called? Pelican. What is this called? Rooster.